Hello there, traders. Hello, fellow champions. Welcome to another video of Trading for a Living Forex Champion series. So for today's video, I'll be talking about why swing trading is the best, at least for me. And you may or you may not know that I myself is a swing trader. So majority of my students know that, although I do some occasional scalping or day trading, uh, almost all of my huge profits or gains are from swing trading. So I'll be showing you some reasons why you should consider as well being a swing trader. So without further ado, let's get straight into the presentation. Alright, but before that, guys, again, I would just like to promote what? I would just like to promote again my upcoming on August 23rd Forex trading bootcamp, 6 hours hardcore. So again, thank you to all those who already registered. If you haven't registered yet, again guys, the deadline is on August 19th. And see you at the bootcamp, guys. So that's all I can say. It's gonna be exciting. I'm stoked. Again, brought to you by Trading Frontier Philippines. I'll be the one uh, teaching this Forex trading bootcamp, 6 hours hardcore. That is for you guys. And to all those people who are consistently asking, again, this is my Forex Zero to Here Masterclass plus mentorship. Take note, guys, this is a lifetime mentorship. So if you want to step up your game in your trading career or trading journey, again, you might want to check my mentorship services. So as usual, all the details at the description below. Message me, and that's it. So if you want to avail, uh, just message me. That's all I can say. So moving on to our presentation. All right, hold on. All right. So our topic for today is all about swing trading. So why swing trading is the best, at least for me. All right. So I'll be showing you or stating some reasons why most of the time and almost all of the time I'm just doing swing trading instead of the usual scalping or day trading, which majority of the newbies or beginners do. All right, so I'll be stating some very good advantages of swing trading and why should you consider swing trading as well. All right, so again, first things first, one of the best reasons I consider swing trading is less screen time. All right, guys. So we all know that it is very boring to watch every candlestick formation the whole day, and we all know as well that trading is 10% execution and 90% waiting. I truly believe that the big money comes from the waiting. So again, less screen time. I don't have to watch or sit all day watching candlestick formation. That is boring. So once I executed my trade, I shut down my computer, do something else, spend time with the family, and be productive the whole day, not just sitting in front of a computer. So again, one of the best reasons, less screen time. All right. So next reason, what? Okay. As a swing trader, I want my trade setup to be a high probability setup. So in swing trading, you have more time to position yourself on a high probability setup, meaning you have more time to analyze even further, like the market structure, more time to analyze the market behavior. So it it helps you what position yourself in a good high probability setup. So that is one second reason why you should consider swing trading. You don't have to rush your trade. You don't have to rush your decision making in taking such trade. Or what else? Again, to make it simple, more time for your analysis, right? So take note of that, guys. You don't have to rush your trade every now and then. You don't have to chase for the market like the scalpers do to catch one big huge candle. Again, for me, that is boring. At least for me, guys. I have nothing against those scalpers or day traders. We all have different lifestyle. We all have different priorities. Again, my life doesn't revolve around just trading. Trading is just a gateway for me to do something else that I really love. Although my passion is really trading, but that is not my only life in this world. Alright? So trading is just one way for me to enjoy the life that I had. So again, for this, more time for your analysis is better when it comes to taking every trade. Alright. So what's next? What is next? Right. This is one of my most favorite reason why I do swing trading. Alright. Low risk, high reward. Everyone wants this, even I definitely. Because majority of my entries are coming from what? 15 minutes or an hour or each one time frame. So even though I'm doing swing trading, holding trades for several days or even weeks, I can still enter on a trade on a lower time frame, uh, even on a 15-minute time frame. So that is one reason I consider always doing swing trading. I can maximize the bigger move, the huge profit is there, and low risk. All right, because I'm mentioning on a much lower time frame as compared to my take profit, which is what, on a higher time frame. So if I can relate that to an actual chart, all right, so let me just give you an example. Right, so for instance, if you are doing uh, scalping or day trading, normally you consider a time frame, an H1 time frame. All right, just to give you an example. So normally, if you're a scalper, you only want to consider this move, right? This move the market, most probably. If you're a scalper, uh, maybe this move only, right? Or even day trading, more or less this move, right? That is on an H1 time frame. You only capitalize on a small portion of the market. Yeah, considering you only trade on a lower time frame. That is given because you only want to go into the market and out in the market within the day or even in a few minutes or an hour. So that is just like an in and out move for scalpers and day traders. So but for swing trader perspective, right, we can see that I can capitalize on this big move, this huge swing, right? Because I'm monitoring on the daily time frame. Meaning, if I don't have any reason for me to exit the trade on a daily time frame, I would still hold it as long as it hits my TP or as long as it hits my appetite when it comes to take profit. Alright guys, more than 1:3 risk to reward ratio. So normally my take profit will be around 1 to 15, 1 is to 12 uh, risk to reward ratio. So that is huge as compared to my entry on an hour time frame or H1 or even 50 minutes. All right. So that is one reason majority of my gains are from swing trading. So it helped me compound my capital. At the same time, it helped me 10x my profits as well. So that is why I don't have to watch the screen every minute, every 5 minutes, every 50 minutes, and stress the hell out of me just to watch every kind of information. That is pretty much boring on my side. So once I enter the trade, I leave it. I let the market do its thing, let it run. All right, guys. As long as, of course, we're practicing proper risk management. I know my risk before I enter the trade. So whatever happens, my psychology is it either hits my TP or it hits my stop loss. That is just how the cookie crumbles every now and then in forex trading. So there's no 100% in certainty in forex trading. However, uh, through swing trading, it helped me position myself, as I've said before, on my second reason, position myself on a high probability setup. Meaning, high probability, I know that most of the time, my trade will go my way and in my direction, intended direction. So, that is how I 10x my capital and profits. Alright, I hope you understand that. I'm not capitalizing on a small move of the bank, but rather on a huge move of the market, holding the trade and milking the market as long as I can uh, to capitalize and gain on a much bigger profit. All right. So I hope you understand that. What else? Uh, Going back to the presentation. Oh, that is the reason why swing trading has low risk, high reward, because my reward is on a higher time frame and low risk meaning my entry is on a lower time frame, right? So what else? So this is very important. Less trades, less stress, less possible losses, however, bigger profits, right? One of the best reasons why swing trader is the best, right, guys? You don't have to trade frequently. All right. So the reason I'm doing swing trading because again, my goal is to preserve my capital, to stay longer in the game, and be selective on my trades. When I say selective on my trades, I have less trades. So meaning I also have less stress. I don't have to monitor a lot of trades, a lot of currency pairs. All right. So at the same time, it also gives me the possibility of less losses. Alright, so there are times that I only have one trade or even two trades within the week, but those take profit level are bigger in profits, more than 10 times my risk, more than 10 times what I'm expecting. So this is one of the best reasons as well why you should consider swing trading. Alright, you don't have to trade more often, but it's all about what the next slide, I think. Right, swing trading is all about quality over quantity. So you don't have to place trades a lot of positions, 10 positions in one single trade. Again, I'm very selective on my trades. I only want high probability setup. So even though I only have two trades or three trades in a week, guys, that take profit gain is over 10x, 20x my risk. So meaning, even a single trade, I can cover majority of my trading week. Alright, so I don't have to trade frequently. I only have few trades, but those trades are of high quality trade, high probability setup. Alright, so I hope you understand that. One of the best reason as well, quality over quantity. So again, what else? It helps you build your trading discipline and patience. All right. When we talk about patience and discipline, because swing trading, It's all about waiting, guys. The big money is from the waiting, not from the chasing of the price, right? I or what? I have gained more of my profits from being patient in the market, waiting for the right setup, and what else? It helps me build also my discipline. So I only take trades that are high probable, and what else? Selective as well. So if there's no setup for me, I don't take the trade. The advantage of not taking a trade, I don't have any losses. So it helps me preserve as well my capital, stay longer in the game, and be disciplined to take another opportunity instead of forcing my trade on that specific currency pair. Alright? So those are the reasons why I do swing trading and why I am a swing trading hardcore. Alright? So just a recap. Again, first, less screen time. Of course, the big money is from the waiting. You don't have to trade. You don't have to sit in front of your computer the whole day, guys. That is not healthy at all in the long run. Second, you have more time to position, more time for analysis to be on a high probability setup. Right. Third, low risk, high reward. When we talk about high reward because our target is on a higher time frame. Low risk meaning my entry is on a lower time frame. It helps me improve my risk to reward ratio through tightening my stop loss based on structure as well. All right. So what else? Less trades, less stress, less losses. However, bigger profits. Because what? You're setting up on a high probability trade. Selectivity of trades is evident, right? And again, always remember quality over quantity. It's not about the quantity of trades. So there's a big misconception about uh, forex trading. Some of the people say that you have to place a lot of positions on a certain price level in order for you to capitalize on one huge move of the market. Again, guys, that is very much risky on every trader. Again, if you don't have that bigger capital or 5-figure, 6-figure capital, again, it's not a good habit to place 10 positions on a single price level, guys. You're already gambling, but again, I have nothing against those people who are doing it. If they capitalize on it, that's their strategy. We all have different styles in trading. However, I'm a firm believer that I don't have to place more than 2 or 3 positions on a single price level. So for me, it's all about quality over quantity, guys. Plus, it helps lessen my risk when it comes to trading because even though I only have one trade on a specific currency pair, the take profit that I normally get is 10x my risk. So that is all about for me. That is my setup, right? And last thing, as we recall, it helps build our confidence, discipline, patience, and in every trade that we do. So those are the reasons why I do swing trading. So I hope you can incorporate those concepts, uh, those important points on becoming a swing trader. All right. So again, thank you. What else? Thank you to all those supporters and to all my VIP students, to all those non-VIP, to all the members of the private group. Again, you guys are awesome. Thank you to all your support, your kind words, your kind comments. Even those people who criticize me, again, everyone is welcome. So our goal is to learn forex trading, Again, if you haven't watched the series of Learn from Scratch, you can check my past videos. But for those who already have watched those series, again, thank you to all those who continue watching my videos. Again, I will not be tired giving you more quality education in terms of trading. So thank you, thank you, thank you. So see you at the next episode. See you at the next video. Bye bye.